In this video, I'll guide you through how to collaborate on Jotform. Collaboration can make managing projects, collecting data, and working with your team more efficient. Whether you're new to Jotform or looking to streamline your existing processes, I'll show you the easiest way to collaborate on this platform. First, let's head over to jotform.com. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL. If you already have an account, make sure you're logged in. If not, you'll need to create an account, which is straightforward and only takes a few minutes. Jotform is a powerful tool for creating customizable online forms, surveys, and more. So having an account is beneficial for any task that involves data collection or management. Once you're on the Jotform homepage and logged in, take a look at the left side of your screen. Here you'll see a menu. Click on All to view all the forms you've created or have access to. This section is your main hub for managing forms, and it's where you'll find the form you want to collaborate on. If you have many forms, you can use the search bar to find the specific one quickly. After locating the form you want to collaborate on, click on it to open it. You'll see an option to edit form. Click on this and it will take you into the Form Builder interface. This is where you can make any necessary changes or updates to your form. Jotform's builder is intuitive, allowing you to drag and drop elements to customize your form layout as you see fit. Now that you're in the form builder, look to the top right of your screen. You'll notice a button labeled Add Collaborators. Click on this button to start the collaboration process. Collaboration in Jotform is straightforward and doesn't require you to send bulky files or emails back and forth. Instead, it's all about sharing a simple link that gives your team access to the form. Once you click Add Collaborators, a link will appear on your screen. This link is your collaboration key. Click on Copy Link to copy the URL to your clipboard. You can now share this link with anyone you want to collaborate with on the form. Sharing this link allows others to access and edit the form in real time, making teamwork seamless and efficient. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a form for collaboration on Jotform. This process ensures that everyone on your team can contribute and make necessary changes, keeping your project moving smoothly. Remember, collaboration is key to effective teamwork, and Jotform makes it easy to manage and share your forms with others. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to collaborate on Jotform. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on making the most of your digital tools. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy form building!